gonna be making your own pizza. So we have sauce, and then we have these spoons. You guys can spoon on the sauce. You guys are gonna make your own drinks. We have 2 kinds of soda, and then a whole bunch of flavors.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you. Is that good? Yeah. Yeah, tell me if you guys need more. Okay, grab a cupcake. And then choose a base. This or this.
That looks good.
You should actually do that.
Oh, can you see it's like red fading up?
Oh, yeah.
So cool.
That's cool. Clearly we're not used to these fancy things. Okay, we'll try it again. Okay, make sure you guys push it straight down. What'd you catch?
Bright green.
Ooh. Let me see. Chris is the master with everything animal related. Animals and bugs.
His back is shiny.
He's a pretty bug. You have 2 now?
No, we come friends.
Let's see. Do you really have 2 in there?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
1, 2.
Yeah, somehow he caught 2 big beetles. Oh gosh. Swimming time. They're all gonna jump in without touching the water first.
I know, I'm excited to see it.
That's too crispy. Show us the bottom. Oops.
It's black.
Alyssa got a new pizza. Show us the bottom.
Not burnt this time,
Okay.
just charred.
So she can eat it. Is it yummy?
A little foldy. Yeah, it's good.
How's your pizza?
Good.
There's Kiva.
Hello, Kita. There's Hannah. Say hello to everyone. Are you just eating lollipops all day?
Yeah.
Okay. Only because it's Alyssa's birthday. Hey, you guys do a picture really fast. Can you do a picture? It's okay, go. It's fine. They're up there making plans. What's the next trick they're gonna do? You want to open another one?
Yeah.
I think you had enough for one day.
Yeah.
You want a lot?
Yeah.
Open this?
Yeah.
How many lollipops can one little boy have?
8.
A lot.
A lot.
How many is that? Is that 8?
8.
Is it 3?
20, 11.
Whoa.
Not everyone's initial, so come find yours. No one. She's a party guest. Whoa, is it like sparkling?
Yes, she sprayed gold glitter on it.
So cool.
so you can see that it's got lemon curd in the filling.
You want a ton of an extra drizzle? Okay, here we go. Is that good? There you go.
I got you.
Gift stone. I said gift stone. Cold stone. Gift card.
Oh, I love cold
Thank
stone.
you. This one is from Grandma and Grandpa, all the way in Texas. Oh, look how cute. It's like a
Aw.
purse.
A fox purse.
Oh, you're right. It is. I almost thought it was Alice. So cute.
That's cute.
That's cool. Like open.
I wonder how they knew you liked foxes.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, look, a unicorn.
Oh, that's cute.
So cool. Oh my gosh, pineapple glasses.
Those are cute too, Alyssa.
So cool. Look, the lenses are like rainbow. Isn't
That's
that
really
cool?
cute.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look, a fox.
Oh.
So cute.
Oh, that was
It's like sparkly. I know, isn't that so cute?
cute.
Oh my gosh, look, tiny fox earrings.
Oh.
Ooh, birthday card. You always do it so fancy with your cards. I love it. How did you do the writing so good? It was so pretty. That's so cool. Your writing is so good. Oh my gosh, look how good she wrote that.
Good. Like 3 days.
Yeah. Skittles. I love Skittles. Ooh, is this a candle? Whoa, look. It's like super shiny.
Ooh, it's
That's
pretty.
So cool. It's a name to it. Ooh. Vanilla confetti. That sounds so good. It's like super pretty though. It's like shiny.
It's called Let's Eat Cake.
So good. How did I not see that?
That was actually good.
It smells really good. Ooh, look.
Is it
Oh,
scrub?
body cream. Look.
Nice.
It smells really good.
I could smell like it smells good. Like I could imagine it.
Yeah, it does. Oh my gosh, look how cute these earrings are. Really?
I don't know if
That's
you
so cool.
That's
I can't believe you
cool.
made those. That's so cool. Is it like clay?
Yeah, it's like
Thank you. That's so cool. Hershey bar and crunch. Oh, I've never tried that kind of crunch. Oh, is it? I've never tried that kind before. I bet it's good. Is it? Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Oh, that's adorable.
That's so awesome. It's like a purse backpack. Yeah. Oh, it's the same brand I like. This is so perfect. Thank you.
It's a great color.
Oh my gosh.
Tissue paper. Look, tissue
Blanket.
Ooh.
Oh, it's like a throw blanket.
Oh, those are soft.
It's so soft. It's like super soft. Oh my gosh, I can't stop touching it. It's so soft.
I love really soft blankets.
I like the color too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look. That has such
Ooh.
cool packaging, right? Ooh, a Starbucks gift card.
Okay, so you have to understand, this is a group effort. You'll see, it's a nanny, papa, Annie Ann, everybody helped with this.
I'm excited.
He did.
Oh my gosh, wait. Should I take it out?
Yeah.
Well, you can leave it in the bag forever if you want.
Oh my gosh, neat. There's like a little fox inside. That's
Really?
Little fox.
no, obviously. Look.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, how's your
Oh my
name?
gosh, look. It says my name. That's so cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Thank you.
Papa made that.
Wait a second.
Look, it says my name. Sparkly. And look at the little fox and the mushrooms are just perfect. I know who painted those.
Oh
my
yeah, now
gosh,
I remember.
look. Disney.
Oh, that's cute. Perfect
So cool.
timing.
It's like, I know, right?
That's cute.
Ooh, that's cool. Look what color it goes to.
That's
Oh
cute.
my gosh, Reese's.
Oh, I want to
Oh,
have
the
one
pretzel
of those.
kind. I've never tried the pretzel kind.
please share.
Oh my gosh, something sour. I love anything sour. A mug case. Ooh. Oh my gosh, salted caramel hot cocoa. I love these.
good.
This is so good.
That's a good treats in there.
Ooh. Pringles, my 2 favorite flavors.
Which
Salt
happen
and
to be my
vinegar.
least favorite flavors.
Whatever. Salt and vinegar and sour cream and onion. Literally my 2 favorite
And you
flavors.
gotta read the card thingy. It says open. I was very specific.
Ooh,
I wrote
open.
with a smiley face.
Okay. Oh,
It's
another
your
coupon.
coupon.
1 free camp /
I
egg
kind of wrote it at your house.
/ show / beach. It's like
Not
4
a show.
slashes.
It's supposed to say snow. I think I just.
Oh,
It could be a show though if you think of a good show.
Okay, snow / beach.
So it's a snow or beach trip.
Or
And it
camping, or
expires
hiking, whatever.
next year, so yeah, it's good. for
Basically
1 year.
just a trip.
Perfect.
A
thank
coupon
you.
for a trip.
A day
Yeah,
trip.
coupon. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, do you guys want to swim again?
Yeah.
I do. I hope you guys loved my video today and you had fun watching my birthday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!